Welcome to Yummy Yum Show.
Today, we are going to bake a cake.
What do we need to bake a cake?
We need flour, sugar, butter, and eggs.
Do we need a bowl?
Yes. We need a big bowl to mix the ingredients.
Okay. What's the next step?
First, put the flour, sugar, and butter in the bowl. Then, crack the eggs and whisk them.
Let's mix it well with the whisk.
Good idea. After that, we can bake it in the oven.
Enjoy it.
I want to make lemonade. Can you help me?
Sure. Do you have lemons and sugar?
Yes. First, I'll cut the lemons in half.
Then, squeeze them to get the juice.
Okay. Should I add water?
Yes, add cold water and mix it well.
It's ready. Let's taste it. It's too sour.
Add more sugar to make it sweet.
Okay. Let's pour it into glasses.
Let's make pizza.
What should we do first?
First, roll the dough with a rolling pin.
Okay. What's next?
Spread some tomato sauce on the dough. Then, add the cheese.
Should I grate the cheese?
Yes, use the grater to grate it.
What about toppings?
We can add mushrooms, peppers, and olives.
Then, bake it in the preheated oven for 20 minutes.
Bon appétit!
Thank you for watching. See you next week.
It's time for dinner. Can you help me set the table?
Okay, Mom. Where are the plates?
They are in the cupboard. Put one plate for each person.
Should I add forks and knives too?
Yes, and don't forget the spoons for the soup.
Okay. Should I also bring the cups?
Yes, place a cup next to each plate.
Everything is ready now.
Thank you.
I want to make vegetable soup. Can you tell me the steps of it?
Of course. First, chop the carrots, celery, and potatoes.
Should we rinse them before chopping?
Yes, rinse them well. Then, chop them into small pieces.
What do we do next?
Heat some water in a pot. Add the vegetables and some chicken stock.
Should we season it?
Yes, add salt and pepper. Stir it well and let it boil.
Yummy. I can't wait to taste it.